Reliability is one of the most important factors when choosing a car, ensuring longevity, minimal maintenance, and consistent performance over the years. While many vehicles claim to be dependable, only a select few have proven their ability to withstand hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. These cars have become legends in the automotive world, celebrated for their engineering excellence, durable construction, and ability to keep running for decades. From compact sedans to rugged SUVs, they offer owners peace of mind and unmatched longevity. Here, we rank the 5 most reliable cars ever built, detailing their specifications, features, and what makes them the gold standard of dependability. Number 5. Volvo 240. The Volvo 240 is one of the most iconic and durable cars ever built, known for its safety, simple engineering, and legendary reliability. Produced from 1974 to 1993, the Volvo 240 was available in sedan, station wagon, and coupe body styles, all featuring a boxy yet practical design. This vehicle was equipped with a range of engines, including the 2.1-liter, 2.3-liter, and 2.4-liter inline-4 options, delivering power outputs between 97 to 130 horsepower depending on the model year. Buyers could choose between 4-speed automatic or 4- and 5-speed manual transmissions, giving them flexibility in driving preference. The 240 typically came in 2-door, 4-door, and 5-door wagon configurations, making it a versatile choice for both families and professionals. Its rear-wheel drive layout and durable suspension system provided a smooth yet firm ride, making it a favorite for those who needed a long-lasting daily driver. One of the reasons for the Volvo 240's exceptional reliability was its over-engineered construction, with a reinforced chassis and an emphasis on safety features. It was one of the first cars to include crumple zones, side impact protection, and anti-lock braking systems, ABS, in later models. The station wagon variant became particularly famous for its ability to last well over 300,000 miles, with some owners even reaching 500,000 miles with regular maintenance. The straightforward, naturally aspirated engines were easy to work on, making repairs simple and cost-effective. The car's minimalist interior was built for durability, featuring high-quality cloth or leather seats, a simple dashboard, and functional controls. To this day, the Volvo 240 remains a symbol of longevity, often spotted on the roads decades after production ceased. Its blend of safety, reliability, and simplicity earns it a well-deserved place on this list. Number 4. Mazda MX-5 Miata. The Mazda MX-5 Miata is not only the world's best-selling roadster, but also one of the most reliable sports cars ever made. First introduced in 1989, the Miata was designed to be a lightweight, fun-to-drive, and simple roadster that wouldn't suffer from the mechanical issues that plagued classic British sports cars. The first-generation Miata, known as the NA model, featured a 1.6-liter DOHC inline-4 engine producing 115 horsepower, later upgraded to a 1.8-liter version with 128 horsepower. Over the years, subsequent generations saw increases in power, but Mazda remained committed to keeping the Miata light and efficient. This car comes exclusively as a 2-door convertible, emphasizing a rear-wheel drive layout that enhances its handling dynamics. Transmission options included a 5-speed manual, 6-speed manual, and 4-speed automatic, though the manual versions were preferred for their driving engagement. The Miata's reliability stems from its naturally aspirated engine, simple construction, and lightweight unibody frame, which reduces stress on mechanical components. The car's double wishbone suspension, combined with its 50-50 weight distribution, makes it an absolute joy to drive without sacrificing durability. Many owners have driven their Miatas well past 200,000 miles, thanks to Mazda's use of high-quality materials and straightforward engineering. Interior features remained minimal, with cloth or leather bucket seats, a compact dashboard, and manual climate controls in earlier models. Despite being a sports car, the Miata's parts are inexpensive, and repairs are relatively simple, making it a great choice for enthusiasts who want a reliable and affordable roadster. Its combination of performance, simplicity, and legendary durability secures its place among the most reliable cars ever built. Number 3. Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser is the ultimate off-road SUV, built to withstand extreme conditions while offering unparalleled reliability. Originally introduced in 1951, the Land Cruiser has evolved from a rugged military-style vehicle to a luxurious yet highly capable off-road machine. The J80 and J100 series Land Cruisers, produced in the 1990s and 2000s, are particularly known for their durability, featuring 4.5-liter inline-six and 4.7-liter V8 engines, producing up to 275 horsepower. These vehicles come with four-wheel drive as standard, along with locking differentials, a solid rear axle, and a body-on-frame construction designed for heavy-duty use. Most models feature 5-door configurations, though older versions were available in 2-door layouts as well. The Land Cruiser is known for lasting beyond 500,000 miles, often requiring only routine maintenance to stay on the road. Its high ground clearance, durable suspension, and powerful drivetrain make it ideal for both urban and extreme off-road conditions. The interior offers a blend of luxury and practicality, with high-quality materials, leather-trimmed seats, and advanced technology in later models. Fuel economy isn't its strongest suit, but its durability more than compensates for that. Many Land Cruisers retain high resale value, reflecting their reputation as nearly indestructible SUVs. Toyota's meticulous engineering ensures that every component is built to last, making the Land Cruiser one of the most reliable vehicles ever produced. Number 2. Honda Civic. The Honda Civic has been a benchmark for compact car reliability since its launch in 1972. Over the years, Honda has continuously refined the Civic, offering fuel efficiency, affordability, and impressive longevity. The 6th to 10th generations, late 1990s to 2020s, are particularly well regarded, featuring 1.5 liters to 2.0 liters inline-four engines that produce 110 to 180 horsepower, depending on the variant. Available in sedan, coupe, and hatchback body styles, the Civic caters to a wide range of drivers with different needs. Transmission choices include a 5-speed manual, 6-speed manual, and an automatic CVT, all known for their durability. A CVT, continuously variable transmission, differs from traditional automatic transmissions by using a belt and pulley system instead of fixed gears, allowing for seamless acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. This type of transmission provides a smoother driving experience and helps maximize power delivery without the noticeable gear shifts found in standard automatics. The Civic regularly surpasses 250,000 miles with basic maintenance, thanks to Honda's efficient engineering and high-quality components. The interior is designed for comfort and practicality, featuring spacious seating, durable materials, and a well-organized dashboard that enhances driver convenience. Fuel efficiency is a major highlight, with many models achieving over 35 miles per gallon combined, making it an excellent choice for commuters. Its lightweight design and responsive steering make it both efficient and fun to drive, offering a balance of practicality and performance. Due to its reliability, affordability, and strong resale value, the Civic has remained a bestseller for decades, cementing its status as one of the most dependable compact cars ever built. Number 1. Toyota Corolla. The Toyota Corolla is the best-selling and most reliable car ever built, with over 50 million units sold since its introduction in 1966. Known for its durability, affordability, and efficiency, the Corolla has been a staple in the automotive industry for more than 5 decades. The vehicle is offered in sedan and hatchback body styles, providing a balance of practicality and comfort for a wide range of drivers. Throughout its many generations, the Corolla has been powered by 1.8 to 2.0-liter inline-four engines, producing between 139 to 169 horsepower, depending on the model and trim level. These engines are designed to be fuel-efficient and long-lasting, often running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance. Modern Corollas utilize dual overhead camshaft (DOHC) technology, variable valve timing (VVTi), and direct fuel injection, optimizing both power and fuel economy. Some newer models even offer hybrid powertrains, delivering even greater efficiency while maintaining Toyota's renowned reliability. The Corolla's transmission options include a 6-speed manual for those who prefer more control over their driving experience, and an automatic continuously variable transmission, CVT, which enhances fuel efficiency and smoothness. A CVT, continuously variable transmission, operates without fixed gears, using a belt and pulley system to deliver seamless acceleration and maximize fuel economy. This technology allows the Corolla to achieve an impressive fuel efficiency rating, with many models reaching 40+ miles per gallon on highways and over 30 miles per gallon in city driving. The front-wheel drive, FWD layout ensures stable handling, and Toyota has equipped the Corolla with a McPherson strut front suspension and a multi-link rear suspension, providing a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Inside, the Corolla's interior is designed for long-term durability, featuring high-quality cloth or synthetic leather seats, a user-friendly infotainment system with touchscreen functionality, and advanced safety features such as Toyota Safety Sense, TSS. With a low cost of ownership, minimal maintenance requirements, and a high resale value, the Corolla remains the gold standard in automotive dependability, proving time and time again why it's the most trusted car in the world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Until next time.